Hello there, crafters. I'm Beth and I am with Crafty Corner. I am back with another tutorial for you. Today I want to show you how to fill in fonts with a picture. You can use a picture you have taken or just one you found on the internet. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the text box over to the left, and I am going to type my word and then change the font. I like beefcakes, but any real big fat font will work. Next up, I'm going to click on Upload, and then Upload Image, and Browse, and then select the image from wherever you have it saved on your device. I'm going to click on Complex, and then hit Continue. I'm not removing any of the background, so we can click Apply, and Continue. We will want to select the Print Then Cut option, and Upload. Then we'll select the image we just uploaded and add to Canvas. Next, I'm going to have my text so that it is on the top layer and move it on top of the picture that we just uploaded. Try to place it where you think the image behind will look good on the text. When it's where you want it, I am going to select both layers, the text and the image, and come down here and hit Slice. This is going to leave me with 3 layers. I'm going to hide the 2 layers that I don't need. And that's all there is to it. Now you can use this in any print and cut situation you would like. I am going to finish this off by making it a sticker. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out Craft-e-Corner.com for all of your Cricut needs.